Hi everyone, my name is Payal Sehgal. I'm a makeup artist and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do your basic makeup. Step 1. Step 1 is to moisturize your skin. Your skin should be very well moisturized. You should not feel any kind of dryness on your skin because it can really spoil the whole idea of natural basic makeup. I have already applied the moisturizer. As you can see, there is a bit of shine on my face because of the moisturizer and there is no dryness on my face. Now let's move forward to the step 2. So step 2 is to use a primer. Primer plays again a very important role in moisturizing your skin, and it basically preps up your skin for the makeup. Basically it makes your skin really smooth so that the foundation and concealer, whatever you are using, it melts in your skin. It looks natural. So it's very important. I recommend primer for sure. You guys have to use it because you will see the difference once you start using the primer. It makes your skin super smooth. I mean, it will be like butter on your face. So I use Smashbox primer. It's really good primer. You guys can get it from Nykaa or any nearest store available. It's amazing product. Step 3. Ta-da! My personal favorite product ever. This I cannot do without this product because this product is like amazing product. It makes you look very natural and makes your skin glow. So a lot of people have asked me, okay, what foundation are you wearing? And then I tell them that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. They really get shocked because this product is really underestimated. But I love this product. You have to actually try this product to believe me. And I'm gonna put it in the next shot and I will show you how it looks on the skin. It looks super natural. This is how I apply this product. I just put few dots with this BB cream on my face. Yeah. Like that. Not too much, not too less. Depends how natural you want your skin to look. Sure, that's it. Enough dots. And yes, beauty blender. I'm gonna blend it using the beauty blender. You can use a brush. You can use your hands as well. A lot of times I use my hands directly also. So yeah, melts well when you use your fingers. I'll show you how to do that also. See how natural it looks. Looks very natural. Put it thoroughly. That's about it. And you can put a bit like a wash of it on your eyes. Blend it evenly. Yep. See? It is so natural and so nice. I mean, I love it. So under the eyes, you can use your fingers a bit and actually rock the look. See, it's so natural. You don't need foundation. You just need what? BB cream. Step 4, you guys, is using a blush, which is not exactly a blush, it's a tint. I personally recommend using Benetint. It's easily available at Nykaa or any store like Sephora, and it makes you look really natural, and it gives you a natural kind of pink blush. People won't know that it's a blush, it's basically a tint. So yeah, so it is a liquid. It comes in a bottle like this, so you shake it well before you use it, and you just dab it on your skin, like dab 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 dab. That's how you use it. Dab 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 dab. You should find your own ways to use the product, because you should have that connection with that product. So with this product, you have to be very quick. You cannot wait for it to dry. So I use my fingers in a circular motion so that it blends well. Fingers are the best brushes that you have, that you can use, because the tips of the fingers helps melt the makeup very well. See, it's very natural. So my basic funda of makeup is not to put a lot of expensive makeup and just to look like a diva out of the magazine. The basic funda of a basic makeup is to look naturally beautiful. Even if you have problems on your skin, it's not important to really hide it by putting a lot of product on your face. That makes you look very unnatural, guys, and that's not in fashion at all. Nowadays, you must be seeing a lot of celebrities posting pictures on their social media. They don't use a lot of makeup. It's important to take care of your skin and use less makeup rather than putting everything on your face. It looks very good in the pictures, yes, but in real life it doesn't imply. So my personal request is to definitely try this look once and then tell me how it works for you, and I'm sure you're gonna love the way I am teaching you this, because it's very natural and you're gonna look naturally beautiful, not made up. So yeah, I am gonna put a bit more, because I like that pink tint. I like the tint look on my face. It makes me look nice, what I feel. So it should be as per your taste. Yeah. So my personal makeup regime, I use a bit more of tint, because I like that kind of look, like a pink cheeks kind of look. See, it looks good. And I use this tint a bit on my nose also. I blend it with my fingers. See, my fingers are like the best brushes ever in the market. So yeah, you guys should also not spend a lot of money on brushes. Yes, of course you need brushes, but buy the basic brushes. Don't buy anything or everything because people are telling you to buy it. It's not important to buy everything available in the market. You can actually use your fingers. It works really well. It helps to blend really well. See, yes, and a bit on the chin. Yeah, like this. Lovely. See? And I'm done with the tint, lip and cheek tint. So I'm gonna put it on the lips also. First, I would like you guys to see how it's looking in the natural light. Pretty natural, huh? Next step is to curl your lashes. See, I've already curled one of my eyes. See this one, if you can see, I've curled this eye already. So how you do it, you take a lash curler. This is Color Bar's lash curler. It's a good lash curler. So what you do is take your lashes in the curler and touch the eyelash curler on to the end of your lash, not the skinner. This is the lash. Just make sure all the lashes are in, and then you press it like 1, 2, squeeze it like 10 times maybe. Start with 10, then you can curl your lash as per your convenience. So I'm gonna curl it more. See the difference. See, there's a huge difference in this eye and this eye. These lashes are flat. These are really well curled even before applying a mascara. So now the mascara. This is again my favorite mascara. This is like the best mascara ever that works for me. You guys can use whichever mascara you're using if you think it works for you. This works for me the best because this really makes my eyes look amazing. See, this is how my eyes look after using this mascara. So don't underestimate this mascara. It's a very good mascara. I recommend for sure. You guys should definitely try this. And this is waterproof mascara. And it doesn't, really affect your eyelashes if you take it off with a oil-based cleaner. See. My eyelashes look so fabulous. You can see the difference. So the same thing. Your eyelashes should be inside the curler. You should feel the lashes, not the skin, and squeeze it. Squeeze it. I do it for 40 counts. Yeah, so that it gives a good curled effect. The more you curl, the more you squeeze it like in number, the effect is gonna be nicer. I think it's enough for now. I'm gonna take it out. See. So fab. And yes, the mascara is done. Lovely. So that's how I do my lashes. It should look too dramatic. Dramatic, a bit dramatic. See, my eyes. After mascara, I will teach you how to do your brows. So for brows, I use Benefit Brow. This is the best brow pencil ever. It looks very natural. I've used a bit right now, as you can see. Just outlined my eyebrow. So you really don't need to use a lot of brow pencil. Just outline your eyebrow a bit with this, just to fill your brows. Maybe in the night you can use a bit more of the pencil, but not in the daytime for sure. And then there's a brush on the other side. It's like for blending the whole color that you have applied with the pencil. So you blend it with this. And you are set. Your eyes look perfectly natural yet elegant, and it's very easy to do. It's not a rocket science to do this kind of makeup. So, about the eyebrows, nowadays, even if you don't apply mascara, you don't use anything else, if you don't have a good brow, it's gonna spoil the whole look. A lot of people think that, eyebrow pencils make you look very loud. It's not true. It's the right pencil that you need, and this is the right pencil for eyebrow perfection. This really makes it look natural because the tip is, as you can see, it's a very thin tip. You can see if you pull it out, see, it's this thin. It's like a stroke, hair stroke. So you just have to outline the eyebrow and it looks perfectly cool. And nowadays eyebrows are totally in. If you don't have good eyebrows, trust me, even if you have great skin, great makeup on, you're not gonna rock the whole look. So for me, eyebrows are very important, and I recommend this pencil for sure. Eyebrow pencil, Benefit Brow. That's the last step that I'm gonna show you now of this tutorial. Lips. Nowadays the skin and lips get too dry, so the best thing is I use this face primer on my lips. You really don't need to use everything like lip primer, eye primer, this primer, that primer. I don't believe in that concept. It's that, how you use a particular product, and it can be of multiple use. So this face primer works really well for me when it comes to my eyes, face, lips, anything. So I make sure that I prime my lips with this primer, oil based primer. So you just use it like with your finger again. I'm using my finger again. Yeah. Before actually using any kind of lip color, I do this. So after waiting for the oil based primer to settle down, now I'm gonna use Benetint again on my lips, as it's very natural. You can use any lip color you want. I personally use Benetint, so you can use a lipper, lipstick, any gloss, whatever works for you, and you're all set to go. This is how you do the basic makeup. It's very easy and it's very natural. So everyone, this is the final look. It looks very natural yet very elegant. Okay. That's how you do your basic makeup. You look very natural yet very elegant. Thanks for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.